Back again, guys, with one more powerful website that is super easy to use and lets you add animation style 2D or 3D to your images. All you have to do is go on this website app.immersity.ai, click on upload. It lets you upload an image or a video and apply animation styles to the same. I've already uploaded one image right here. You see that? It gives me some preset options that I can do. For example, animation style like vertical, dolly, etc. Right now it's zooming in and zooming out. I'm now going to select dolly mode and you can see some perspective to it. Also, let's try one more. Zoom from the left side. Yeah, nice. Or zoom from the right. You can add perspective in it as well, apply reverse loops, etc. 3D motion, or you can even set a 3D image to it. I'm sure that you will like this, and make sure that you let others know in your group as well. Tada, take care.